The eyes of the countries whose border cannot touch the eyes of the country. Good morning, all of you. My name is Sanidhya Kejriwal. I am studying in class 8A from Middle Scholars Kashipur. It is our library activity. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate Independence Day. And I am very happy to speak here on great occasion. And I am very grateful to the Pankaj Joshi sir to giving me a special opportunity to say the views of Independence Day of my country. At this special occasion of Independence Day, I would like to speak on India's struggle for getting freedom from the British rule. The great Indian leaders were made a trice with destiny to give us a free and peaceful country by sacrificing with comfort of life. We cannot imagine that how the movement was critical at that time. We have nothing to give our forefathers, but we always remember them and their deaths and make a hearty salute while celebrating the national event. We would always be in our hearts. After independence India, we get our new birth with happy face of all Indian citizens. India got independence on 15th of August in 1947 from the clutches of British rule. It was the grateful day for all Indian citizens when India's three colors flag unfolded by Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi at the Red Fort, Delhi. Everyone celebrates the Independence Day and hosting the flags in schools, offices, and society. So we should always proud of our country. And it's truth that which is not filled with emotion, which does not have the full of juice, is not a hurt. It was a stone, which does not have the love of home. For the great occasion of Independence Day, I would like to tell the national anthem. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा प्रावण उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाता जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे Bharat Mata Ki Jai! For the Independence Day, this line is said about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. In a democracy, the well-being, individuality, and happiness of every citizen is important for the overall prosperity, peace, and happiness of the nation. So, happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you, all of them. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.